Welcome to a world where the future is now. Today we explore the incredible advancements in technology that are reshaping our lives. From drones and robots to augmented reality and AI gadgets, the pace of innovation is breathtaking. Let's dive in. Hey Tech Fam! Welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're diving into the 10 mind-blowing tech trends of 2024 that'll make you feel like you're living in a sci-fi movie. From AI-powered wearables to quantum leaps in computing, if you're not hyped yet, you will be in 20 minutes. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Let's go! Imagine a world where your gadgets anticipate your needs. Companies like Humane and Meta are betting big on AI wearables that analyze your voice, gestures, and even biometrics. For example, the Humane AI Pin projects a laser keyboard onto your palm and answers questions in real time. But here's the kicker. Startups like NextMind are developing EEG headbands that let you control devices with your thoughts. Creepy? Maybe. Game-changing? Absolutely. Would you trust a device that reads your mind? Let me know in the comments. Quantum computing isn't just for labs anymore. In 2024, companies like IBM and Google are racing to hit quantum supremacy, where quantum machines solve problems classical computers can't. Think cracking encryption, simulating climate change, or discovering life-saving drugs. But here's the wild part. Startups like Rigetti are offering cloud-based quantum access. Yep, you could rent qubits like Netflix, if you're a genius. Still confused? Think of qubits as a coin spinning in midair. They're both heads and tails until measured. That superposition lets them process millions of possibilities at once. Mind equals blown. Foldable phones. Old news. 2024 is all about flexible screens everywhere. Samsung's teasing a trifold phone, LG just dropped a TV that rolls into your ceiling, and Lenovo's prototype laptop folds from 13 inches to 8 inches like a napkin. But the real star? TCL's 17-inch foldable OLED tablet. It's thinner than your wallet and survives 200,000 folds. Take that, origami. Still, durability's a question. I've cracked 3 screens this year. Send help. AR glasses are finally ditching the Google Glass cringe. The Apple Vision Pro is just the start. These $3,500 goggles blend VR and AR, but budget options like X-Real Air 2 project a 120-inch screen in front of you for Netflix on the go. Meanwhile, Viture's glasses turn your Steam Deck into a portable IMAX. The catch? Battery life and looking like a cyborg at Starbucks. Barista thinks I'm weird, but my coffee order's flawless. Dead batteries and e-waste. 2024's tech is fighting back. Researchers at UC Irvine built a self-healing battery that repairs its own electrodes, boosting lifespan by 300%. Companies like Tesla and Cartier are also rolling out solid-state batteries with double the range. But the real win? Solar skin panels that blend into your roof and ocean cleanup's AI-powered trash drones. Tech saving the planet? Yes, please. Imagine never replacing your phone battery again. Cries in iPhone 14. Elon Musk's Neuralink just got FDA approval for human trials. Their brain chips could help paralysis patients control devices with their minds. Meanwhile, Tesla Optimus robots are now folding laundry, sort of. And Boston Dynamics Atlas does parkour like it's training for the Olympics. But are we ready for robot roommates? Let's just hope they don't invent Skynet. If you made it this far, you're a certified tech legend. Smash that subscribe button and hit the bell. I'll be back Thursday with a teardown of Apple's Vision Pro. Let me know in the comments. Which 2024 trend are you most excited about? Stay awesome and keep geeking out. Subscribe Addy Tech.